out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before.
Hey there guys, it's Carly. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new here. Today is a dreary winter's day with rain and clouds and just that cold, chilly feeling. So I thought I would record a cozy and calming clean with me to motivate you guys to get in, clean your house and tick off some of those to-dos. So if you're keen to watch that, grab yourself a cuppa and let's get into the video. First thing, if you are not new to my channel, is always stripping and remaking the bed. Dave was heading out for the day, but before he headed off, I wanted to take advantage of having team power to get the bed done, because it's always a whole heap easier, especially putting the doona into the doona cover when you've got a friend to help you out. We also had some extra company in the house today in the form of Mac. We didn't want him out and about outside in the rain and cold weather because he would end up getting dirty and wet. So we decided to keep him in, and he kept me company while I cleaned and pretty well followed me around the entire house all day.
I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. Saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let
Pro tip, if you love lilies but don't like the mess they make, grab yourself a little piece of toilet paper and pluck off the stamens as soon as they open. You'll be able to enjoy their beauty without the mess.
I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a lifelong celebration. Go I'm struggling, reminiscing about our good times, the good days, but good wasn't the only perspective of all the days that we had. We lost it. You were the best I ever had.
These dark and rainy days call for a little bit of atmosphere. So I'm putting on my salt rock lamp, and I'm also going to be lighting a new candle that I bought as a little present for myself when I went down to the market with my family.
I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a lifelong celebration. Go ahead. Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone. Everything that we could have been.
My old Wedex was looking a little bit grungy, so I ended up chucking that one in the bin and getting out a fresh one, which was the last one in the pack. And I also decided today that I was going to clean out my oven. I haven't done this in a while, so you'll end up seeing that it was a little bit gross, and I had to use 2 of these oven wipes to get it looking nice and clean. One of my favorite things to do on cleaning day is to change out all of the bath towels and bath mat and hand towel for some nice fresh ones. I like to use bamboo towels. I buy them from an Australian company called Pure Zone, and I've been using them for the last couple of years and absolutely love them. I also really like putting my towels in the dryer because I like how they come out nice and fluffy. These grey ones I ended up putting on the line, and you can see that they're a little bit more stiff.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream.
Dave had a toothbrush that was looking a little bit past its use by date, so I ended up using it as my cleaning toothbrush and got in and cleaned out the shower drain as well as the tracks for the shower.
Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Oh, acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out
because the dog was in the house, I ended up finishing up with the vacuuming and decided not to mop today, but I'm going to re-vacuum and fully mop the house in a couple of days when things start to brighten up. I hope you guys really enjoyed this clean with me video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I put out new videos every single week. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your week and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.